Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace Toyota Yaris wiper blades. First, gather your new wiper blades, a small flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth. Make sure your vehicle is parked safely on a level surface. Then, gently lift each wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. This prevents the arm from snapping back unexpectedly. Now, let's remove the old blades. Look for a small tab or clip where the blade connects to the wiper arm. Press this tab and then slide the old blade straight off the arm's hook. Be very careful to hold the wiper arm firmly at all times. You don't want it to accidentally snap back and potentially crack your windshield. With the old blade removed, it's time for the new one. Carefully slide the new wiper blade onto the arm's hook. You should hear a click, indicating it's securely in place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's fastened properly. Finally, carefully lower the wiper arm back onto your Toyota Yaris windshield. Repeat for the other side. After installing both new blades, it's crucial to test them. Turn on your vehicle and use the windshield washer fluid to ensure they operate smoothly and clear the glass effectively. For best results and to extend their life, regularly clean your wiper blades with a damp cloth. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's Black Ice air freshener. Check the description for a link to that and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.